Hello everyone. Welcome to Orange English. 50 fruits name with their picture. Avocado, apricot, apple, blackberry, black currant, blueberry, boysenberry, Buddha's hand, cantaloupe, sempodak, cherimoya, cherry, clementine, cloudberry, cranberry, damson, dates, dragon fruit, durian, feijoa, fig, gallia melon, goji berry, gooseberry, grapefruit, grapes, guava, jackfruit, kiwano, kiwi fruit, lemon, lime, mango, mangosteen, papaya, pear, persimmon, pineapple, pomegranate, rambutan, raspberry, salak, sarsop, strawberry, Suriname cherry, tamarillo, tangelo, watermelon, white currant, yuzu. Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel for regular updates.